Hey folks, another day in Iriomote. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a drizzly one today, showers on and off. So I've left all of the main camera gear at home. I don't want to run the risk of getting that wet, but I am armed with my super lovely little GoPro Hero7 Black. We're going to take a quick stroll into the jungle. I'm going to go and try and find some big limestone caves that are in all the guidebooks. I've got the entry point. The following of the path shouldn't be too much of a problem. Let's go and have an adventure. Starts out with some pretty impressive trees. Now we just got to find the way through here. It's a case of the path often trodden, not less trodden. Some pretty impressive foliage. Not very many route markers though, so just got to be very careful and just very carefully follow what appears to be a trodden path. Keeping my eyes peeled as well. With the dampness, there's a good chance that there could be some snakes or some other reptiles out, and if we do find anything, I'll be sure to introduce you guys. Heading down some pretty steep steps. All good. Okay, I can see some caves down here already. Here we go. Apparently there's about a succession of 3 caves, this one being the first. It looks pretty daunting, and the guidebook says bring some kind of flashlight with you, so I did just that. Put that one forward, my trusted headlamp. Onwards and upwards, young man. Just in the middle of the jungle, or somewhere in the jungle, alone is just absolutely incredible. There's a sense of isolation is mad, but every now and again we have these incredible vistas. Check this out. Look at the roots on this buttress tree. That crazy roots start over here. Isn't that mad? This is our next challenge. Headlamps at the ready. You got to go in there somehow. So this one, I'll just carry the camera through, so you'll be able to see exactly what I see. Here we go. If I stumble, this looks a bit muddy here, so I'm not going to go that way. We get water. Oh, check this all out. It's pretty rad. This one, I hope. Ooh. Here we go. Just little spiders. Okay. No snakies. I can see daylight up ahead a little bit. The light at the end of the tunnel. Let me just adjust this a little bit, hold on. There we go. Okay. Right, it looks, oh, crayfish. Well, it looks like we've got to get down low. There's a little stream that runs through, but I think I'm even going to have to get down on my knees. There we go. That's disgusting. And we get out. Yeah. That was a close. Still crouched over. Get under these. That's cool. Coming out the other side. Oh, awesome. No wild pigs. I'm happy. There's the way out. That's cave number 2. Well, of all the 3, this next cave is the biggest. I've not seen any reports or anything in the guidebooks about what's beyond it. I don't think we're going to go beyond it, but I certainly want to have a good look around in it. So flashlights at the ready. Off we go. Goodbye, cruel world. And in we go. Okay. Which ones are the hangy down ones? Stalagmites or stalactites? I've never figured that one out. There's plenty of those. Nothing going upwards though. So, dive job. Let's have a look. No bats either. Funnily enough, I'd have thought a cave like this would have been perfect for bats. And I know there's plenty of bats in Iriomote because you can see them flying around in an evening. And it's starting to get lower down now, and I can hear a definite sound of running water. Right, there we go. Okay, so it looks like our path is blocked. just nowhere to walk around the side of that. It looks quite deep. So I'm not going to go for a swim today. Thank you very much. So we just make our way back out. Short-lived cave exploration, but how awesome is it? Top of the world. Ah, pretty amazing. Fantastic location. A little adventure on days when the weather might be against regular photography trips, but it all makes up the adventure that is Iriomote. Cool breeze. Now to find my way home. There's one thing in Iriomote that you need to get used to. That has to be the humidity. I've only been on the go for about an hour with stops and starts, and I'm absolutely drenched. So the key point when you come here for walking in the jungle or any activity really is hydration. I'm going to take a rest here, take on some liquid, and then push on to the car. We've just actually come out of the second cave, so we've just got to get to the first cave, through that, and then back to the car. Sounds good? Folks. Awesome. Well, I've just been taking a look around this immediate area where I'm having a bit of a break, and there's a couple of pretty awesome clues as to things that are happening in Iriomote at the moment. The first thing I just found on the underside of this leaf, this guy here, and it's not a creature, it's the actual exoskeleton. You can see it there, looks like a little monster. It's the exoskeleton of the cicada. You know, the me 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 me, the sound you hear in the jungle at night time comes from the bug that crawled out of this exoskeleton here. And secondly, which is pretty awesome, is this. It just looks like a flower or a plant, but this is actually the bloom of a tree that comes out, that blooms only at night time. And I'm not sure of the name because it's long and Latin, but I'll print it in the comments below, or I'll print it along the bottom of the screen here. There it is. That's the Latin name for this guy, and the smell on it is just, it's to die for. It's absolutely beautiful, but like I said, very unique. They only come out at night time, and it's pretty cool and nice to see. Now tonight, surprise surprise, I'm going to be heading into the jungle at night time, check and see what critters and creatures we can bump into and try to avoid. I'm actually more scared of the wild pigs than I am of all the snakes that are here, but wild pigs, they can do a lot of damage. Now they do actually also have the habu here in Iriomote, but the species that they have here is apparently a third less potent in venom than the habu or the pit vipers that we get in Okinawa main island. Now a third less venomous is still venomous, so we still have to be careful how we go, but it should be good. got to go up around there.